Welcome everyone. So yes, literally 90% of the people could not figure out what is the value of x. Okay. So now in this kind of a scenario, what you should do? First thing very important is that you try to write this 0.01 as a fraction. That is nothing but what 1 upon 100. Now, since this entire thing was raised to x, so let's write this also everything raised to x. So now please understand, in fraction we can take the index with the numerator as well as the denominator. So this now looks like what? 1 raised to anything is 1. Okay, so 100 raised to x. Okay, this is where your entire thing comes to an end. But very important thing what we can do over here is, see, a 1 upon a raised to n can be taken in the numerator by writing this as what? Negative index. So this can also be written as what? 100 raised to minus x. Okay, or I can even write this as nothing but what? 10 square raised to minus x. So, which can be written as, see, a raised to m, the whole raised to n can be written as a raised to m into n. So, this can be written as what? 10 raised to minus 2x. You will quickly understand why did I convert everything in terms of 10. Okay. So, basically now your question changes to what? 10 raised to minus 2x equals to 2. But after this, we are not able to do much. So let's try and use logs. So this will be what? Log of 10 raised to minus 2x equals to log of 2. Now please understand, whenever you have log of any number, okay, and no base is mentioned, means it is what? The base is supposed to be taken as 10. Okay, it's as good as writing a, which is equals to what? A raised to 1. So here, this can be written as what? Log of 10 raised to minus 2x to the base 10, and here also this is 10. Okay. Now another thing about logarithm is log of a raised to m can be written as m log a. Okay, so this can be written as what? Minus 2x into log of 10 to the base 10 equals to log of 2 to the base 10. Now, very important thing to remember always is that log of any number to the base of same number will always become 1. So this becomes minus 2x into 1 equals to log of 2 to the base 10, or just log 2. Okay, but we want to find the value of x, so we will divide both sides by minus 2. So here I can say value of x is nothing but what? Log 2 upon, so minus log 2 upon 2. Okay, the minus can come with the numerator as well. Or if they have provided you with the value of log 2 or a log book, then you can put the value of log 2, which comes out to be 0.301 upon 2. So when you do the division, your answer comes out to be negative 0.15. Okay, so now see, please understand, this sum was super important. Okay, why? Because the sum itself had a decimal number. Okay, so now instead of this 10 raised to minus 2x, if you had continued to write this, so this would have been what? 100 raised to minus x equals to 2. Correct? So if this entire thing had not struck you, then also at this point you could have taken log on both sides. So this would now become what? Minus x log 100 equals to log 2. Now at this point, this is crucial for you to remember, this is log of 10 square equals to log 2. So now this becomes what? Minus x into 2. The 2 will go ahead into log 10 equals to 2 log 2, sorry, log 2. Now log 10 to the base 10 becomes what? 1. So this eventually becomes minus 2x into 1 equals to log 2. Now, in order to find the value of x, we will divide both sides by minus 2. So, here also, yes, you could have found the value of log 2 to the base 2. It's just for simplicity, and I understood that at some point in this entire sum, I would be using log. So, it is better to convert 100 in terms of 10. Okay, but it is absolutely okay if this doesn't strike you. Okay, it's absolutely fine, but I hope you've gotten the idea that when you are applying logs and you are getting sums or you are getting values in terms of hundreds or powers of 10, then it is better to convert them in terms of 10. Okay, because you will save a lot of time. Okay, but this is absolutely okay if it doesn't strike you, it's fine. Okay, another thing, very important, whenever you look at these questions, see, a lot of people thought that this cannot be done. The first thing which I did was to simplify the question. Basically, they had given us the decimal part. Okay, so best part is whenever you are coming across a decimal situation, it is very important for you all to write it in terms of fraction. Okay, and then obviously the x's will split with the numerator as well as the denominator, and 1 raised to anything is always going to be 1. So there are certain nitty-gritties of mathematics, which are going to be like really important in solving this kind of a sum. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone, and now you must have realized that how do we do all of this. Okay, another thing very important was that, see, here another value of x could have been written as what, minus 1 upon 2 log 2. Okay, so this then changes to what, log of 2 raised to minus half. Okay, that also is okay. Whatever, see, these are the few variables in which your answer could have been given. Okay, also very important, there are most of the times these kind of situations happen in terms of what, mcqs. They give you 4 options and from that you have to select. Okay, unfortunately, see, a lot of sums can be done from the options itself. Unfortunately, because there was a decimal situation, finding values like something like this would have been very tricky. Okay, so yes, you could have selected this if this was an option, or this if this was an option, or this, but for that, this kind of a working is quite important. Okay, also for those of you who are new to my channel, I upload daily at 8 in the morning, 12 in the noon, and then 5 in the evening. Now between 5 and 12 I also upload a quiz which is in the form of shorts. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, because if you are like a math enthusiast like me, or a student who want to improve their mathematics, then my channel will be super helpful for increasing your knowledge as well as your power, speed, or understanding of mathematics. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.